Good morning, everyone. I am Jonal Dodon from BSN major in Mathematics. As a student navigating the complexities of the world, we recognize the role of teachers play in shaping our education and preparing us for the future. In an era defined by technological advancements, wide and instant access to information, traditional forms are no longer sufficient. We believe that embracing 21st century literacy are necessary for teachers to effectively engage and empower us as learners. Teachers are entrusted with preparing the students for the challenges and opportunities of the 21st century. Today, I want you to explore its importance to teachers and how embracing these new literacies can empower the students and communities. Digital literacy, for instance, it is more than just knowing how to use a computer or browse the internet. It is about understanding digital tools and platforms, leveraging technology for learning, and navigating digital world responsibly. Teachers who possess strong digital literacy skills can create dynamic and interactive learning experiences that cater to diverse learning styles, sparking our curiosity and facilitating deeper engagement with the subject. Another literacy which has a very popular slogan, think before you click. Can you guess it? Yes, we are talking about media literacy. Think before you click is not just a catchy slogan. It's a call to action for educators to prioritize media literacy in your teaching process. Equipping students with the skills to critically evaluate media messages and become informed digital citizens, which the teacher's role is to promote media literate society. Financial literacy is yet another area where teachers can make a significant impact on our lives. As we transition into adulthood, having a strong foundation of financial literacy equips us with knowledge and skills to manage our finances responsibly, make informed decisions about budgeting, saving, and investing, and navigate the complex world of personal finance with confidence. Next is cultural literacy along with social literacy. Understanding different cultural perspectives is integral to developing social literacy skills such as empathy, collaboration, and communication. By engaging with diverse stories and experiences, educators can enhance cultural and social literacy, creating inclusive learning environment where all students can feel valued and understood. Next is eco-literacy. It is not just a lesson to be taught. It's a mindset to be cultivated and a set of skills to be developed. By embracing eco-literacy, teachers can encourage students to become informed, engaged, and proactive stewards of the environment. Lastly, critical literacy is considerably the most important quality of 21st century education. Teachers encourage us to question, analyze, and evaluate information critically, not only help us develop essential thinking skills, but also empower us to become independent learners and active participants in our own education. These 21st century literacies are not just skills. They are essential tools that teachers need to cultivate in themselves to effectively prepare us for the challenges and opportunities of the modern world. By embracing these literacies, teachers can help us to become lifelong learners, critical thinkers, and responsible digital citizens. Thank you.